Hi everyone. Okay, so we're going to do a quick mock-up using a picture that I've taken of one of my reverse canvas frames. So I've opened up my Inkscape and I'm just going to go to the file area and import the picture. I've just left it on my desktop just to make things easier. So this is the picture that we're going to be using. And we're going to import it into Inkscape. There we go. And we're just going to move it to the center of the workspace. Okay, so I'm just going to import a file that I'd like to lay over on the canvas. So I'm going to go to my main file for Cricut. I have everything organized by what the label is, whether it's hunting, camping, whatnot. So I am going to go to the hunting. And I do have a bundle with a bunch of different ones in here. I can import the SVG file or I can just do the PNG file. I prefer to work with the PNGs just because they're quick and easy to work with. So we're going to import that. And as we can see, it's much bigger than the picture, and that's okay. I'm going to get the straight arrows going on that, and clicking on my Shift and my Control, I'm just going to resize this down. Click on the picture, bring it up a little bit bigger so I can see here what I'm doing. So this looks good. This layout looks good. But I see that the T is just touching a little bit on the edge. So I'm just going to bring it in just slightly. So now I want to put my logo in the picture somewhere. So when I upload it online, it's got my logo on it. I do have a few different random saved ones on my desktop. So I'm going to put in this one, XYZ Company, and I'm going to move it to the front. Got this, and I'm just going to move it with my arrows where I'd like it to go. You can move it with your mouse, you can move it with your arrows. I like working with my arrows. It's a little bit more precise. And I'm going to lay it just over the canvas, just because it makes it harder for anyone who wants to steal the picture to move it. So I like this. It looks good. That's the way I want it to look. So I'm going to just click on the big picture. I'm going to hit File. And then I'm going to hit Export PNG image. Okay. So that's now I'm going to save it to my desktop. Now I'm going to move Export as desktop. I'm just going to put hunting template and save it. So we're going to save it, and then I still have to hit export because I am saving it as a PNG file. It doesn't save it just because I hit save on the desktop. Just hit export and it'll move it to your desktop. So if I minimize my screen now, I will see that there is my hunting template. I'll double click the picture so that you can see it. So there it is. So this is what people are going to see when you've uploaded it to your website or your Facebook page, and it's got your logo built into it. It's got the SVG file or PNG file that you wanted to go onto it, and now you can sell it. So you've saved yourself from having to do 20 different canvases with all different sorts of designs on it. This quick, dirty way. When I take pictures, staged pictures of items, so I'll take this frame and I'll set it up maybe 10 or 12 different ways with different staging items in it. I'll even turn it sideways and do it that way as well, so I can do different designs on that as well. So I can upload a series, say, of different ones. I'll do a hunting theme, so a bunch of them will have, maybe in the next picture this lamp won't be there, maybe it'll be a big antlers or something different. It'll just, I'll stage it differently, and I'll do different colored frames as well, and I'll set them up in series or together side by side or triplets, just so that it looks different and no one knows the difference, that it's been, that there's actually just blank canvases and you've just done overlays on them. No one's going to know. Please feel free to join me at my Aunty Crafty Facebook group. Subscribe to my YouTube videos, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate asking them in the comment section, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks.